In this video, I'll show you all the ways you can get free credits in Lovable. The first and most obvious method is to sign up through the link in the description using a new account. Once you sign up, you receive 5 daily credits up to a maximum of 30 per month. This means if you use 5 credits daily for 6 days, your 30 credits will be consumed, and they'll reset the following month for you to use again. The second method is through Lovable's Referral program. On the left sidebar at the bottom, you'll see an option called Share Lovable, Get 10 Credits. Click on it. All you need to do is share your invite link with a friend. Once they sign up, they receive 10 credits absolutely free. And once they publish their first website, you also receive 10 credits absolutely free. Here you can see your invite statistics, how many people have used your invite link. As you can see, I haven't shared with anyone yet, so it's showing 0 users. Below that is your invite link. Simply click Copy Link and share it with your friends. If you want to review the guidelines, click View Terms and Conditions to see the complete referral program rules. This is a great way to earn extra free credits. The next method is using bonuses. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and you'll see an option called Bonuses, which is newly launched. Click on it. Here you can track features and earn extra bonuses as you build. At the top, you'll see available bonuses, and any claimed bonuses will appear in the claimed section. Currently, there are 3 bonuses available. The first is Daily Actions. Send 25 messages to Lovable and earn 5 credits. There's a timer at the top showing how much time remains for this daily action. As you can see, I've already sent 4 messages, and the progress bar shows 4 out of 25. Once you send 25 messages, the progress bar will complete and you'll earn 5 extra credits absolutely free. Below that, we have other actions. The first is Add a custom domain to project. Click on it to see the progress bar indicating whether a custom domain is activated. To add a custom domain, go to your Lovable dashboard and select one of your projects. I'll select a website I created recently. Click on it, then click the Publish option at the top. You'll see Add Custom Domain. Click on it. Here you can add an existing domain by clicking Connect Domain, or purchase a new domain through Lovable by clicking Buy New Domain. Once you connect a custom domain, you'll receive 5 credits absolutely free. The next bonus is Invite a Collaborator to project. Once you invite a collaborator, you receive 5 credits absolutely free. To invite a collaborator, open any of your projects and click on your project name in the top left corner. A drop-down will appear. Go to Settings and you'll see a People section. Click on it and you'll find the Invite Members option. Once you send invitations, they'll appear here. When invitees accept, they become collaborators and appear in this section. By inviting a collaborator to your project, you earn 5 credits absolutely free. These are all the methods for getting free credits on Lovable. If you want more credits without the hassle of earning free ones, you can always upgrade to a paid plan by clicking Upgrade to Pro and selecting one of the available plans. That's all for this video. Don't forget to sign up for Lovable using the link in the description to claim your 30 credits absolutely for free. If you want to know how to get free credits on Base 44, click on the video appearing on your screen.